Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the essentials. Copy the e-gift card code precisely, because one wrong character will fail validation. Open the Myntra app or website and sign in. Once done, choose the items you want and add them to cart. Make sure your address and delivery slot are set, because payment screens reference them. You move immediately to checkout. This keeps the session active and prevents the code from expiring or being locked by another attempt. You proceed to checkout and confirm the delivery details first. This ensures the payment page shows all applicable offers. On the payment screen, select the gift card or vouchers option. Do not pick any other wallet first, because order of payment matters. Paste the code exactly as provided and tap Apply. Once applied, you will see the gift balance reduce the payable amount. If the order exceeds the card value, you will be prompted to choose an additional payment method. You finish by selecting any remaining payment method for the leftover amount, verify the final payable sum, and confirm the order. Make sure you note the order ID because that proves voucher usage. Once the order is placed, check email or SMS for confirmation and the applied gift card line item. If the code fails, don't panic, check expiry date, character accuracy, and whether the card is limited to new accounts. If problems persist, contact Myntra support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.